Jagoro mogirore migao mar arita Laktar Omollo otimo limbe alap ma Ithookwe e kaunti ma Kitui mar chuo wang'e e gedo mar alap ma kamano madhibago nyasi mar Mashujaa ma higani tarik 20 dwe mar apar. Laktar Omollo mane otene limbe ma kamano kod jatend obila e kaunti ma Kitui Kipchumba Ruto, tend arita sub counties kod jotend loch nanga oyango ni gedo mar alap ma Ithookwe osechopo 80% ka en kod geno ni 20% modong' en mana goyo tado. Kopogore gedo mar alapno, chenro mamoko mar kongo apaya mabor ne romo kilomita 10 matudo alap ma Ithookwe kod kar jot matin ma Kitui bende nie tielo mogik. Omollo pako kang mar tero nyasi makamago e gwenge mopogore ma pachoka.
Is actually on course. There's been very good collaboration between the national government and the county government of Kitui, led by the governor. As we are here today, this is the main venue for the Mashujaa Day celebrations, which is the stadium, and the progress of its development is actually ahead of schedule. At least 80% of the work has been done. We have less than 20% of the work to go, which is largely on the roofing for the stadium. In other places, we've had celebrations minus the roof in the stadiums. So for the people of Kitui, this is going to be a major event, and also just to call on the residents of Kitui and the rest of the country to get ready to come to Kitui, Ithookwe Stadium, for the Mashujaa Day celebration that will be happening on the 20th of October. Our expectation is that after Kitui, we will be going to Murang'a, and then, of course, the rest of the country. And this is to just expand the scope of interaction and also the spirit of celebration beyond Nairobi, like it was the tradition before.